channel. So today's video is going to be on the hair that I'm wearing right now, and the biggest tea about this hair is that I did not color this hair myself. This hair actually came pre-ombre. So the hair company that sent me this hair to review is Save Me Hair Company on ALIEXPRESS. I will leave all of their links to their stores and the link to this actual hair in the description box below, so make sure you check that out before you go on a question rampage. But yes, I was sent 4 bundles, 2 bundles of 16, a bundle of 18, and a bundle of 20 with a 14-inch lace closure. I used the majority of all of the 4 bundles. I probably have I have a nice amount of the last 16-inch bundle left, but for the most part I use mostly all of the hair. I bleached the knots on this closure myself, and that was pretty much it. All of the color that you see right now was how the hair looked when I first got it. So the hair colors in the bundles are 1B for 27. So 1B, of course, is like the natural brown black. 4 is like a reddish brown, and then the 27 is this blonde color right here. Now I can say I really do enjoy how this hair looks. More so curled. I haven't tried to wear it straight yet because I don't know, I just think ombre hair looks better curled. But one thing I can say is that I did squeeze all 4 bundles, or mostly all 4 bundles, onto the unit because I felt that the wefts were pretty thin. They were good to fold over and flip over and stuff like that, but I had to double the first track that I used, which is the 20-inch bundle, because if I singled it, I felt like the hair would have looked thin, because I noticed that the blonde areas are thinner than the top areas, which are natural color, which is kind of expected because this hair has been previously bleached by the company. So I was kind of expecting that, but I wasn't an advocate for having anything in my head looking thin, especially with color. So I doubled the first track, the first bundle, and then the second bundle I didn't double it because I didn't want it to look too bulky, but I literally did not give any space in between the tracks. So I literally don't have any space in between a lot of the tracks on this wig, but I don't have any regrets, only because the hair looks full, it looks really nice, so I really don't care about that. So before I actually wore the wig, I did co-wash it with some Suave conditioner. Nothing too fancy or anything like that, just to revive the hair, because I did watch a few reviews on this hair, and the most feedback that I've seen in the videos is that sometimes the blonde part will feel dry if you put too much heat on it. So I didn't want to wear it straight out of the packaging, pre-bleached hair. I just wanted to go ahead. I co-washed it. I let the conditioner sit in the hair for about 30 minutes before I rinsed it out, and then I let it air dry and I styled, which you guys are gonna see as well. So honestly, I can say that I really like this hair. Now I have been dealing with a few snags in the nape area and minor shedding, nothing too major, but I think this is a pretty decent color job for it to have been done by the company instead of me. So I can run my fingers through it, of course, and it's really shiny. So that's one thing I like about it, because blonde hair, it can look dull if it's not properly taken care of. However, this has a nice radiant shine to it, and it does not look like a chalkboard. So I actually really like that. But like I said, I am experiencing some minor snags in the nape of my neck. Nothing that's gonna make me want to snatch this wig off my head or anything like that, but just my observations, what I've been going through with this hair. So at first I was kind of apprehensive about the lengths, because normally if you get 2 of the same lengths, you'll double the longest length and then single all of the other lengths. So when they decided to give me 2 bundles of 16 and I only have 1 bundle of 20, I'm just like, oh, how is that gonna work out? But it ended up working out really nicely. I'm more interested to see how this hair is gonna look when I finally straighten it out, only because I just love the fullness of it while it's curled. And these are just flat iron curls. I of course you guys are already gonna see the clip of me flat ironing, not even flat ironing, flat iron curling my hair with this flat iron right here, and this is literally still the same curls from that day. So the hair holds curls really nicely, so I think that's really awesome, especially for color treated hair, because sometimes hair that's been bleached can sometimes not hold heat or just fall flat after a certain amount of time. So the fact that this hair is actually still intact, and I think that blonde hair or hair that's been ombre looks way better with the looser waves instead of the uniform tight spiral curls, because that's how it was at first, and I was kind of like I wanted to bleach this part right here, the brown, but I was like, I can't do that if I haven't come on here with the initial review, so you guys can see what this hair looks like initially coming from the company straight up. So after it failed a few days, you know, I'm just like, okay, I like how this looks. The placement, the colors look really good. The hair doesn't look too done, but it doesn't look too messy. So I don't know, I like it, and I've been getting a lot of compliments on it. So I hope you guys like it, but if you don't, that's cool too, because I'm still gonna wear it and I'm still rock it. But like I said, I'm gonna leave all of the information from this hair company, Save Me Hair Store, on AliExpress. They did not specify the origin of this hair, which I will also figure out and leave that in the description box as well. But this is straight hair that I curled myself. Again, this hair was already pre-ombre, so if you're looking for some hair you want that's colored, you know, good quality, but you don't want to put in the elbow work to actually achieve a color, this is actually something to consider. So make sure you guys check out the description box for all of the information on this hair company and these bundles and this closure, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.